Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me DYMO Mobile Labeler, and now I'm going to show you how to connect this labeler to your device. So firstly, you need to open your app market. So if you have an iPhone, so you need to open the App Store. If you have Android device, you need to open the Android Play Store, and here you will find the DYMO Connect application. Click Get. So cool. Then click Open. Click Hello. Here you can check how to use this application. Then just click Close. This tool can be restarted again. Okay. So now click Find the printer. Click Mobile Labeler. And here as you can see we have no any accessories. Because firstly we need to enable the pairing mode. To do that you need to enable the printer and wait until Bluetooth icon starts blinking. As you can see it's blinking right now. And now as you can see my smartphone detected DYMO ML-C84D. So click on it. Wait a while. I'm connected, but why this application says that I'm not connected? So I need to restart this application. Okay, as you can see, now it's connected. It just was because the application, not because something went wrong. So cool. And here we can choose the option to print something. For example, simple. I want to print hard reset, for example. Click OK. And then orientation we can change to show border or not. I don't want to show the border. Here we can edit it and then just click on the print button, how many copies you want to do, and click print. And now just wait a while. And as you can see, it has printed hard reset text. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.